All right, so we got a new house with a pool, which is awesome. So I teamed up with iGarden to get this M1-AI pool cleaner. I'm really excited because, man, the pool gets dirty quickly. So I'm excited to get this thing out of the box, give it a charge, and throw it in the pool because there's already a bunch of debris in there, and I got news for you. We have some actual crazy tests for it too. Got some pebbles, some leaves, all this other stuff that might get in your pool, and we're gonna put this thing to the test. So let's get to the unboxing. So right here, we got the quick start guide. Is gonna be crucial in order to get it all set up and make sure we charge it properly, but we'll move that to the side for now. And got some stuff on top here. So we got the little hook here to pull it out of the pool when we need to grab it in case you don't wanna get all wet on that particular day. So we'll hold on to that. Looks like we got the power charger here. That'll be necessary, obviously, in order to charge it up. Looks like we just have a filter here, of course, to filter out all the junk. And then there we actually have the manual. So user manual, gonna be useful if anything goes wrong or you need to contact the company, make sure you hold on to that. So now we gotta pull out the actual M1-AI here. It's not too heavy. Oh man, I feel like a kid at Christmas trying to get into my present, but I'm making a mess. Ooh, this thing is shiny. I like this. What? This thing looks awesome. So that was all that's in there. So yeah, a lot of packaging, keeping this thing safe. I'm good with it though, because man, this thing looks awesome. I mean, it's kind of in between like a McLaren and Batman's tumbler from Dark Knight. Looks pretty industrial. So I kind of just want to chuck it in the water, but obviously I need to make sure it's charged and probably learn a little bit more about this before I go full bore here on the iGarden M1-AI. So let's charge it up and then we'll get to work. Okay, Caesar, we got the M1-AI all charged up and ready to go in the pool. So we'll unplug it now and we'll take it over there and see how this is gonna go for the first cleaning. Okay, so there's a couple of things. One, we gotta turn it on. We got a little lock button that switches over. That fires the power up. I do see that we have the downward and the right arrow, meaning that it's gonna clean the floor, clean the sides and top, everything here. So we're gonna set this in the water for it to go a good full cleaning, but we need to make sure that there's no buoyancy. So I guess we have to put it in here and kind of move it around because you can see it's a little bit too buoyant right now, right? So it's like get all that air bubbles out of it by rotating it. And then it says, put this in within 3 minutes so that it can start working. Man, there's a lot of dirt and grime at the bottom here. It's gonna clean, so I'm excited for it to kick off. So I think we got it ready to sink here. Let's keep rotating a little bit more. All right, I'm gonna let it go. Bye. Wow, that's it. All right, so let's talk about what the iGarden M1-AI can do. So this has AI right in the name, so you know there's gonna be some cool features, right? And one of them is the runtime. A deep clean can sometimes take 2, 3, or even more hours to finish, but if you want a quick clean before you swim without any grimy stuff down on your feet, that's where this AI quick clean comes into play. The M1-AI will actually automatically detect the messiest parts of your pool and clean it all up in 20 minutes. So by the time we finish this video, I expect all this to be clean. But the M1-AI is able to do way more than just that quick 20-minute clean. It also has several different cleaning modes, so you can do just the floor, or just the walls and water line, or full coverage mode to fully customize the cleaning experience to be exactly how you need it to be. And whenever the M1-AI makes a deep clean, it will automatically use the AI quick clean afterwards to ensure that no spots were missed. So that's pretty cool. And the M1-AI is able to handle all of this programming because of its quad-core AI processor and OmniLogic powered AI dual cameras, which allows it to make the on-the-go decisions about how to clean best. Using 2 cameras and the powerful operating system, the M1-AI maps out your entire pool, determines where any ladders, drains, steps, dirt, and debris might be, and then since it has 2 cameras, it has depth perception just like the human eye, which helps it judge distance between itself and anything it's trying to clean up or avoid. And when it's cleaning at night, it has LED lights that can be used to continue operating, which is great because if you can't see the dirt, how are you gonna get it, right? All right, so we've talked about the M1-AI's smart features, but it's time to talk about how well it actually cleans. So we've set up some cool tests here. Besides the general ick in the pool, we've got some leaves and some pebbles spread out through the pools, which should mimic like worst case scenario, right? Like as dirty as you hope your pool wouldn't be. And while the M1-AI starts to hunt and find those messes, we're gonna talk about the HyperBoost dual flow system that has 2 different water pumps, which provides a complete cleaning experience. The 2 pumps actually share the workload of cleaning your pool, which keeps them efficient and powerful through the entire cleaning cycle. And with the AI detection, the M1-AI can change how powerful these pumps are on the fly. So if it encounters something tougher to pick up, like these pebbles, it'll increase the suction power and get them with no problem. These automatic adjustments keep the M1-AI energy efficient as well, since it will only be pulling as much power as it needs at any given time. And on the flip side, something that can impede the performance of other robot pool cleaners is if the filters get clogged. No one wants to have to fish their pool cleaner out halfway through the cleaning cycle because the filter stopped letting water through. But the M1-AI has a dual filter system, so if one filter gets full during the clean, the rubber hose will move the water flow to its other filter, giving it a much longer runtime without any maintenance needed. So the M1-AI is literally climbing the walls right now, which is another standout feature. It has 2 caterpillar tracks and 4 wheels, giving it the traction it needs to move vertically and scrub where a lot of buildup happens, especially algae right at the surface. It scrubs right along the edge and picks up everything with ease. Now, with regard to the M1-AI's battery power, you have the AI Inverter 2.0 and its infinity drive systems, which allow it to use 1/10 of the same amount of power that other robot pool cleaners use. Robot pool cleaners frequently require a lot of energy to maintain their workflow and cleaning capabilities, but as we've talked about so far, it's great to see that the M1-AI is much more efficient. And that power savings is important because you don't want to have to stop halfway and pull out the pool cleaner and recharge it only to put it back in to finish the job. The M1-AI battery actually lasts up to 16 hours, which is a crazy amount of time for robot pool cleaners. Even other energy efficient robots have batteries that last 4 to 5 hours, maybe 6 at most. So a 16-hour battery is a really long runtime. And yeah, I'm not down to pull out the M1-AI halfway through a cleaning cycle, so I'm glad it has that long runtime. And if you set it up right, the M1-AI will be able to maintain your pool off of a single charge for an entire month. On the touchscreen, you're able to set the M1-AI to automatically start cleaning after a specific interval of time. The 3 settings are 24, 48, and 72 hours. So just select what interval you want, drop the M1-AI into your pool, and it'll keep cleaning your pool until it runs out of battery. And that's actually on the AI Quick Clean at 72-hour interval. You're gonna then be able to have it in the pool for 30 days. So that's some wild set it and forget it technology. And lastly, I realize that there's a concern nowadays around AI and privacy. A lot of people are worried that their AI-powered smart devices might be selling their information, but there's no risk of that with the M1-AI. And that's because the systems are all self-contained. It doesn't upload anything to the cloud. So all the data that the M1-AI collects as it cleans stays locally and doesn't even provide the opportunity to be stolen. It's also given secure enclave data protection to protect anyone from potentially hacking into the robot and stealing this data. So if privacy has been a concern for you with regards to getting smart devices, then don't worry about getting the M1-AI for that reason, just to put your mind at ease. So yeah, overall, the M1-AI is doing a great job. Having 10 times the energy efficiency with the AI Inverter 2.0 and the Infinity Drive system gives you both a lot of power and a lot of runtime. 1 month of cleaning off of a single charge is pretty ridiculous, and having a 20-minute AI quick clean is very convenient if you just want to get out in your pool. And with all those great features, it's time for us to check the progress of that 20-minute AI quick clean and see how much debris it actually picked up. Let's get this sucker. Come on up. There it is. Pretty easy. Just gotta hook it. All right, turn it off and let's see what we got inside the filter. Oh man, that sounds full. Holy crap, that's like pretty good. Look at all that in there. I did not think there was that much in the pool, and I'm pretty impressed with how much it was actually able to pick up. But let's see how clean the pool actually looks. Okay, the pool is spotless. For how many rocks and leaves we put in there, it is really clean. And I'm pretty impressed because all that stuff collects really fast at the bottom, and I'm happy I won't have to worry about that anymore. The M1-AI has done a great job. The pool is very clean, so I'm satisfied, but let me know what you guys think. Are you in the market for an iGarden M1-AI? Does your pool need to be cleaned by a cool looking red sports car? Let me know in the comments. I'm excited to hear from you guys. And make sure to smash the like button and subscribe on the way out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Go, go, go.